Ciao campers, welcome to One Life's Truck It YouTube channel. My name is Bobby Bolton and this is Red, and we are driving all the way from UK to Australia. In the summer of 2023 I decided enough was enough and bought an old water bowser MAN truck which is behind us, and I spent 3 months converting it to an overland camper. I was a bit of a sucker though, because in week 2 on the trip I fell for a beautiful French girl and she joined the trip.
Hello.
So Marie and her dog Rubia are driving all the way to Australia with us. When we're going to get there, it doesn't really matter. How we're getting there, again, doesn't really matter. So the plan is to use the 4-wheel drive capabilities of the truck and go climb mountains, ford rivers, and go places where the usual tourists can't go. So I hope you stick around, give us a subscribe, give us a follow us on Instagram with One Life Truck It as well, and let's see if and how we make it to Australia.
Ciao guys. Do you know what? Sometimes I wake up in really cool places, and today is one of those. I mean, Marie's so lucky to have found me in the truck. Wow, look at this blue sky. Look at that ocean view, so quiet. Wow. Oh god. But you know, all joking aside, actually motorway services are cock on, because you get toilets, we get refreshments, we've got level parking. Alright, it's a bit noisy, but actually it's basically like being next to a river or something like that, so it's pretty easy. So we've got coffee on, and we're just about to head over to the national park, which has a lot of lakes in Croatia, but on the way we might call into Zagreb, but we've got concerns about parking the truck like a mile away and then having to lose a lot of time getting in, so we're going to basically wing that. But all is well in Camp BB and Marie's. YouTube is properly taking a step up now, so we're doing a lot of more daily vlogs. I'm going to do a bit more like a video diary type stuff, so I hope you're going to enjoy it, and we're basically going to like provide a proper insight into our lives travelling, the good, the bad and the ugly. So sit tight, hold on, and let's see where this goes. I've just spilt me coffee. Alright.
Right.
Okay, hold on. Let me stick that down there, let me get in. Right, do you know where we're going?
Nope.
Excellent. No change there though.
Yeah, you must straight.
Oh! Fuck it out. So we've got a few arch nemesis. We've got a few problems on the truck that are reoccurring. Low bridges are one, toll booths are the other. Like, they never seem to go to plan. This is busy.
Yeah.
Bloody hell. Right, just plough in. Jeez Louise. Good. Right, there's a serious issue with the truck that I just need to sort out, so let me just run you through the fix. So this dial here, obviously there's some sort of leak because it's going down really quickly. So I just need to do that, and that problem solved. Do you know what I mean? Do you know what I mean? I'm too smart for my own good, to be honest. Right, tally ho. Wolfie. Right. Welcome to the first French lesson. If you can't find it, grind
like me
it.
driving.
Okay. What's the difference, pal?
Fight.
What? He's just spoke bollocks to me and then nipped in front of me like a cheeky bastard. The cues are the same.
Bien joué, mec.
I think he's going quicker than us. Bloody exciting, I'll tell you that.
I'm ready.
Bloody hell. Should I just...
My guard?
Oh my...
Good. Thank you.
Whoop! What did he say?
I don't know.
No. Great success!
Good morning campers, welcome to a typical scene here, winter travel. We are parked in Karlovac, which is a big city in Croatia. We managed to sneak it in this spot that was considerably smaller last night when we turned up. We've just been to a coffee shop for toilet stop and a coffee, bakery for some food, feeding the dogs. Now we've got a second coffee on and we're just about to head on the way. So, how are you feeling today?
Great.
Yeah, we're both like,
Yeah.
winter, where's the sun?
Please some sun,
Please
some
some sun.
warm.
Yeah, we're going mad.
I'm in direction.
Here we go again, off to the lakes. Woohoo! Let's hope there's some sun and it's just not grey and miserable. Rubia, no barking, thank you. No, don't stay. We'll just no. Right, well, we've had a bit of a score actually. One of the top car parks. Hold on, where's my manners? Welcome to the national park with the lake things. One of the car parks was up a steep hill and it's covered in snow, so no one else is here. So we've had a bit of a score, and this is where we're parked up. Because what I'm thinking is we'll stay here tonight as well. So we're gonna go for a bit of explore now. But it's nice to see a bit of snow back here actually. It's so pretty. It's rubbish when it's just grey and miserable and wet. So this is a bit of a novelty. Cool, let's go see. Come on, come on. Hey ho. Here we are, ladies and gentlemen. So a lot of it is short apparently.
Yeah.
That's sort of saying, but we've got to take a boat and something else. Oh, B, here we go. What? What? Check that out. Bloody hell. Whoa.
Beautiful.
So, this is actually a UNESCO heritage site and is one of the oldest and most original national parks in southern Europe. Did you know that?
No.
Very, very pretty here. It's quite interesting in winter. I guess it might be a bit of a tourist trap here in summer, so this is a bit unique. But, but look how beautiful it could be. All the trees, green leaves and blue water, and you know, these dogs are enjoying it. Woo! Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. It's like a lot of step lakes with little like cheeky waterfalls like this. Come on, come on. Look at it. Whoa, we're gonna clear the water. Woo! I'm just saying it's so nice, it's so quiet as well because it's like -2, -3 here. So my fingers don't exist anymore. But in doing so, it's quiet. Whew. Right, coffee stop, done. I tell you, I've noticed they now have started to understand how to charge. Do you know what I mean? Like, it started getting expensive again, hasn't it?
Oh yeah.
That's what I found. Like, suddenly becomes a little bit more west.
Touristy here.
Yeah, it's boat touristy. So we're just off to the boat, catch the boat now to head across to the far side of the lake and then walk back. So, warm.
It's cold.
It is cold. Yeah, people are coming in very, very togged up, like almost wearing snow ski kit. Right, come on, let's not miss it. I presume.
Have a wet butt.
Well, I presume we're standing. I'll perch against the back of them. I'm gonna go in here and sort of perch. Go on, Riff. Get in here. Whoa, where are you going? This way. Come. Go. I've just seen all these life jackets overhead just in case it goes down. Honestly,
I'm dying if I fall and dead.
I think I'll just drown myself. I won't even bother putting a life jacket on. It's like -5 outside. I won't even make it to the shore. Bloody hell, no thank you. Right, it's officially freezing. That's it, I've called it. I'm actually about to start shivering.
Oh god.
Ah, bloody little boat in there. So cool. So cute. So cute. Love it. Love it. Love it once I've got warm. What a cool place. Just had someone message on Instagram say that waterfall there on the right, they waited an hour to be able to go and see it. And we basically went there without anyone there. It's crazy. It's so pretty here and unique, but yeah, really enjoyed it. I'm cold.
I'm better now.
Yeah, I'm better now, yeah. We walked a long way, haven't we? Right, come on then. To the truck and come up with a plan, what we're doing. Yeah. Morning, morning. Welcome to a normal day in the van. in -7 actually, would you believe? It's really cold. So we've got changed, time to take the dogs out, and you know, yeah, we've got an onboard toilet and everyone keeps asking this, but realistically, nature is my toilet. That's more of an emergency sort of thing. So I use it quite a bit before Marie turned up, and then since Marie turned up, I've never used it. Right,
well,
come on.
We don't have to use it. Well, maybe.
We've not really needed to.
I mean, because we go to cafe.
Yeah, because genuinely you have.
We wouldn't have gone to
You have two situations. If you're in like an urban environment, so like a town or city, usually there's coffee shops, McDonald's, supermarkets, whatever that you can use toilets. Or if you're in like the wilds, then usually there's like nature to go in. So the only time I got caught out, or a couple of times, like where I've been in like semi-urban environments where no coffee shops open, there's no like McDonald's or anything like that, but you can't go in a bush or in the car park. So that's where I've been caught out a couple of times. So. Well, I don't know. I've been in pretty bad positions before, so. Right. Tally ho, dogs. Come on. Up. Come on. There we go, there we go, there we go. Oh. Jeez. Oh, it smells like fire. Hello. Come on, Red. Come on. Right, Rubs, no. Everything is frozen on the truck because it was -7 last night, which is good. But pretty warm in the truck. Oh, my shoes are frozen as well. Alright, let's go and have a nosy around. Someone's excitable this morning. What's up? Want your biscuits, on you? Yeah, man. Woo! Come on, let's go for walkies. No, do that. So, we're currently in Croatia, and we're sort of. Croatia sort of kicks. I thought it was just like a sort of coastal country, but it's not. It does kick inland. So we came in at the furthest point away from the sea. We've come inland slightly through the capital city and a couple of other cities. Come down slightly, but we're not far away from the Bosnian border, which is to our east. And now we're about to head south and west to the first, well, one of the first major places, which is about a third of the way down the country, maybe even halfway down, called Zadar. There's a couple of there's loads of islands apparently. Again, this is all new to me. So there's a few islands there that we're going to try and island hop or get a truck out to. So we picked one for the time being and gone out there. So they're pretty expensive because of the truck, but we are in low season, which saves a bit of money. But as with this country and every other country, I haven't ever planned or looked ahead or done any sort of route planning. We've just gone country to country because that's the route we're sort of going, and then like nearby or during the country or even the day before, we then start googling, taking recommendations and just organising where we go. So which in one hand is really good, like it's really nice freedom, but on the other hand it's quite a task while you're on the road as well. Oops. Because you've got to constantly, while you're in one nice place like we are now, you can't really enjoy it because you then got to sit down and spend an hour like looking through route planning, organising, and you know, it's a constant task. But the other side of that is it gives you complete flexibility, right? So yeah, it's open. So there we go. Right, dogs are loving it. Alrighty-o, someone's keen. Let's see how she's got on. Salut! Oh, salut! Oh, yee-hoo! Breakfast time. Come on! Coffee's on. Right, Rubes, come on! Well, we've just been flashed to stop by the police for no reason, and you couldn't fucking see. They had all the flashing lights on, and were flashing, and oh, I don't really know what's fucking going on, to be honest. And then he fucking screamed at us to stop, and now has demanded to see our papers for no fucking reason. So I'm like to ask him, like, what the fuck? Why are you pulling us over? Sort of thing. Like,
Can I stay here?
yes.
Bobby there arguing with the police. He's coming back.
Edit this. Absolute that. So what happened was, we were just driving down this road, right? And there's two police cars. One has just done like a fucking U-E. There's lights and everything like that. And just as we get close to it, they flash. But are they flashing us, or are they just put? I don't fucking know. So we slow down and look at them, and they tell us to stop. And we stop within fucking 10 meters. One of them, because he can't be arsed getting out, decides to drive after us and say, get out your fucking documents. And then he's decided to give us a fucking €60, now €30 fine, because we passed the sign. So it doesn't say no trucks, it's just a fucking red sign that they're stood like marshing people, and they're stopping and telling everybody to go right, but they just fucking, because we went 10 metres past the fucking sign, they decided to give us a €30 fine. And I said to him, like, why are you picking on us? What have we done fucking wrong? Arseholes. Right, time to shake that off and do a good deed. I've just seen from the road a van full of workers that are stuck. So I'm just going to go and help them pull them out of the field. They're bogged. So let's go and get in. Let's go and stuck in. Let's go and give them a hand.
It's frozen. Allez Bobby, allez Bobby.
Come on.
Come on.
Ma kakvi su problemi, ako ima problema? Problema ima, ne? Ajde, kakvi problema?
Problema?
Kako je? Evo, kotagaj. Evo dole. Ovog da. I on? Ja, prednja vuča
Ja?
isto. Onda ide. A to sam ja prije 2-3 dana išao tuda. Putujete za Zagreb?
Huh?
Putujete li?
Say hi.
Gledaj, ej!
First time I've broken out this big 30-metre strap.
Ajde još samo dođe. Još ajde tamo, još. Neće. Joso, daj još 7 metara. Ne vidjeli vas. Slika.
Easy.
Schnaps.
Schnaps. Aber wo, Schnaps, hurry up. Mosi. Hurry up, up. Chin.
Okay.
Chin.
Chin.
There we go. Okay. How do you say cheers? Narok?
Živio.
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 What man?
Go.
Ja ovako
And
mogu.
he goes with the border, hurry up.
Ciao. Well, here we are approaching the coast. The temperature is -4 and it's a severe wind warning. Aren't we I was really looking forward to coming to Croatia, and so far we've had rain, quiet, cold cities, expensive food, plonkers of police officers, and now we've got wind and can't get out to the islands because the ferries are shut.
Oh, there is the sun.
Just. It's been The only reason we got sun out is because it's blowing all the bloody winds out of the way. Anyway, down to the coast we go. I hope the GoPro's capturing this wind. It's actually that much that it's blown my wing mirror all the way around and off. Which is going off, but like blown it all around. This is I don't think I've ever
Wait
seen
a
wind
minute,
like
it's
this.
gonna blow out the box behind.
Yeah, the box will just be. Look, it's about to blow your mirror around the corner.
Yeah.
Jesus. Right, we've just decided to go for a walk. I'm hiding behind the truck because as soon as I come around the side, honestly, I wouldn't be surprised if the surfboard is genuinely ripped off from its mount. But this is a real shame. We're not sure we're actually going to be able to island hop over the next few days because the wind is just absolutely mental until like Sunday, and the day is Tuesday today, so we're not just going to hang around for like 6 days. So it's a shame. I mean, it's a beautiful place and I was really looking forward to coming here. In fact, when people are asking me where I'm looking forward to going to on the whole round the world trip, I actually said the Croatian coast. So it's a bit of a shame we've had a bad start with the police so far, and then this is sort of where we are. It's freezing, but anyway, we're taking the dogs out and then we're going to head down to Zadar, I think, just to see if anyone's open and maybe just find a bar and drown our sorrows as per usual. Oh man, I hope this GoPro picks it up because let me tell you, this is crazy, like dangerous crazy. Yeah. Wow, look at the wind coming diving onto the water there. Whoa! Here he comes. Whoa! That's crazy. This is crazy. You are?
I'm gonna sit down and hang out.
Hang out. It's like -5. I know it looks nice, but it is absolutely freezing. Jesus. Right, back to the truck, and then we're going to head as far south as we can towards Zadar. See if we make it or not. But I'm not optimistic. Okay, and here's the pass, so we need to be careful here. This is where we'll lose a dog or a person going around the corner. Okay, everyone careful.
This way is easier, no?